And here we are at Super Lap Battle 2023, the 5th year of the United States premier time attack event here at the Circuits of the America, Austin, Texas.
I already know some of you guys are going to be upset that I'm playing music over the sound of the cars, but you can go ahead and click on my YouTube profile, go to my videos, and look for the sound clip at Coda. I have an entire video dedicated to this entire weekend of just all sound clips.
We're going to have Jason Chin, third fastest of the session at 250.167.
I got it off, I got it.
Yeah, I know you did. That McLaren is fucking insane, man. Yeah. Ran at 2017? 2017?
Downside is you have some teams with new sequentials, new motor packages, new tunes. They're still getting used to it. So obviously 2-day event, 8 sessions total. You have time to get it sorted, but every
Liar. You said 206.9 or something. And you're at 209.3, I think.
Eric Fleming holding on to limited class by 3/10 at a 218.179 in his Corvette Z06. We have Zachary Sober and Thomas Thompson in that McLaren at a 218.497. And then right behind them is Gabe Zamora at a 218.936. So I don't even think second place is set in stone yet. Pro Comp, just so you guys can see, the fastest lap of the event so far is a 201.752. That is Cameron Lawrence in that beautifully built McLaren. Jensen Little in his LMP car at a 206.938, followed by Jason Chin in his Janetta LMP at a 209.955. A quick shout out to Mike.
Should be driving on
These are badass sim rigs. Not at all, but okay. Oh yeah, dude, we fucking slaughtered your ass quick.
right in front of me.
At the your spiny. That was fun. That was a good night though.
It's actually out.
You're racing in Asia on the mile. It's an out mandatory here.
It's a Orca?
Orca, but it's a Nissan.
At the E60.
This can tell you the temperature and maybe a little bit about the incidents, but Gabe Zamora's at a 218, but Eric Fleming has already ran a 250.
Wicked
He is, yeah, he's wicked fast everywhere he goes. He reset the limited rear-wheel drive record. Before they take it to Colorado.
Fantastic. I'm gonna have to go and say hello and
There you
family.
go. Fantastic. It's them. The
driving as competitors, you know, they're very respectful in terms of they see somebody coming up, they're obviously on a flyer, they're letting them by. There's a lot of respect out there in terms of driving and
that's a wrap for day one. I'm going to go ahead and throw on these new tires onto these wheels and get ready for tomorrow. Limited class is looking extremely competitive. I'm within a couple tenths of second place. I'm also a couple tenths away from being knocked out of podium. So tomorrow is extremely important to just come out swinging with these new tires and see where we can find some more time. Jason's situation in Pro Comp is looking pretty good. He's holding third down, a couple seconds away from second place, and he's going to throw on some new stickers tomorrow. But he also has a car behind him that he needs to be focusing on as well. So he will also have his hands full tomorrow.
Eric Fleming, about half a second, 0.7 off of the limited class record at a 2:15.453. Zach Sober and Thomas Thompson in the McLaren at a 2:18.497. And then Grabe Zamora at a 2:18.887. He's going to be fighting for second, trying to get it off him. Ferris, Cameron Lawrence, and Rafael Martinez at a 2:01.752, fastest lap of the event and number one in Pro Comp, followed closely by Jensen Little at a 2:05.376. Mike Dussault is just ahead of Jason Chin at a 2:09.860 versus a 2:09.955. So I'm sure both of them are going to push to get that final spot on the podium in Pro Comp.